This should be a fail video.
I think it will be.
Hi you guys, welcome back to Two Asian Girls. We are going to be doing the unicorn look, Blia and I, and we're also going to be doing a hardcore girl look. The last one we are going to do a zombie, gory, ugly looking. So stay tuned and we're just gonna put on our makeup and do the look, and I hope you guys like it.
Here's your beer. Are you lightweight?
Lately, yeah. You're not though, right?
No, I'm hardcore. I could probably have like 10 of these.
Pretty good though. I don't think I've had that one yet.
Oh yeah.
I hear people talk about it.
Yeah, it was pretty expensive.
Do you always hear your neighbors? Oh, yeah. Do they hear you? Yeah. Did you turn the heat on, or is it normally warm like this?
It's normally warm like this.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's good for the winter.
I think because if other people turn it on, then like it gets hot in my apartment. I don't know.
Oh, then you don't get to pay for heating.
I don't.
So we're gonna be using these palettes here. We got from Spirit Halloween. This is for the unicorn look. We just got a bunch of colors that we thought would go with like the unicorn look.
A few moments later.
I can't open.
Shadow palette.
This is the hardest thing to
It's not even that hard.
Okay.
Okay, so we're supposed to put the white stuff on our face, right? It seems like from the picture. Wait, we can use this for our face and for the eyeshadow.
Yeah,
Is that
I
what
think
it
so,
is?
yeah. I do have some like white body paint. Does it feel sticky?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Maybe we could put a little bit over it just to see. Okay, eyes first, and then the whole rest of the face.
I'm
Just
gonna
go with
open
it.
this because I'm gonna
Oh
try
yeah,
that.
good.
I hope the color is pigmented and it's not
I
as
also
cheap
do.
as it feels.
Yeah, your apartment's really hot.
Yeah, it is. Especially because, yeah, I have that in the room, so it's extremely hot in here. But that's how it looks like.
Alright.
So it's actually not pigmented. I mean, it's glittery, but it's not pigmented.
Oh,
Yeah.
it doesn't stay together.
Yeah.
It's all patchy.
So that's okay.
We'll just
Yeah.
blot it everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just gonna start with my eyes and then build the face from there.
Oh, yours look nice already.
I want to white it out first before I put color.
Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just putting on.
I have no
eyeshadow that I
idea
always
either.
put on.
Let's just put a bunch of bright colors on.
Yeah, so these are not pigmented, but I mean, of course, should have expected that already.
Yeah, I was afraid of that. I don't know if the other makeup gurus, where they get their Halloween makeup from.
I'm
gonna have to
pretty
double check.
sure, like, theirs is like professional makeup.
Right. I'm like, don't they just go to Hobby Lobby like the rest of us and just like buy the makeup? Halloween gives me a reason to like start using colors that I would never use.
So, do you have an idea of what kind of look you're going for? What kind of eyeshadow look?
Not really. I just want to do a bunch of like colors and just mix it all in like purples and pinks
Yeah.
and white and just do it all over my face and my neck. We look like horrible magical unicorns that like a hot mess after like the club.
I don't think it's our fault though. I think it's because these makeup is like really cheap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over the pink to see how it is.
Oh yeah, just keep blending it out.
I can see it like just a little bit.
We look like we got beat up. Some beat up unicorns. So you guys, as you can tell, we have no idea what we're doing.
Yes, we are not makeup gurus.
We are just winging it from what we think a unicorn looks like.
We're just trying to copy the picture that's on the makeup case.
Yes.
And we look like we got beat up.
It's like someone vomited glitter on you.
Connie looks like she has a black eye.
And that was just the color purple that I used on right here. So,
Yeah.
it's not even more purple, it looks pink. Try some more purple. I'm starting to give up.
Yeah, I think I like just going like you helped yourself a little bit with you put makeup on, but like I think this is reality of how like
So we put the gems on and everything. I think we still look a little funny. I don't know. Now we're gonna spray paint our hair.
blue and pink. Which one you want to do?
Okay, I'll do blue.
So these were $4 at Spirit.
Oh god, if the makeup was bad.
Yeah, I'm just
Maybe
curious how
spray.
it'll look like on black hair though. Oh, look at my scalp. That's for sure. Oh, it's really, the spray is like super powerful.
Oh yeah. Oh. I feel like we should spray by your window.
Do you want me to
There's no mirror.
I just do it for you. Okay, you want to do these strands?
Yeah, just do strings. And just do it in the front. Just in the front. Yeah.
It's really not showing up at all.
Really?
Yeah. So that's how it looks like. It looks kind of cool.
Oh wow. What? Is that blue?
Yeah, it's that blue.
Oh gosh.
Let's try the pink one. Sorry, I might get it on you.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, the pink one doesn't show. So the pink one doesn't really show.
Oh wow, I don't even see pink.
Yeah.
I see more blue. Oh, but that's so cool though. I like how blue it is.
Yeah, I do too.
Do you?
Yeah, you can just do the turquoise one since I tried doing the pink one and it did not work out. Strands.
Okay, so I think I look like
A clown.
I don't know what I look like. These lashes are too long and I don't know. It just looks so...
Well, the makeup was like really cheap overall, so I think we look kind of cheap, honestly. But
Yes, that's the word. We look cheap. Like cheap hookers or something.
yeah, definitely. But it wasn't too bad. I mean, I had a great time. So.
This was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, I'm taking these lashes off. Oh yeah.
Are you gonna keep them?
Heck no.
You never know. You might need them again one day.
So now we know that we're ready for the zombie. We're gonna look so good for the zombie.
I think you are, but I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Like, seriously. So I'm just gonna wing it and just go for it.
So as far as the Spirit palettes and their makeup stuff, not too great.
Yeah,
I wouldn't buy it again.
I wouldn't either, yeah.
They don't really show up. And they were really cheap too, so.
And this horn was like choking us, wasn't it, Connie?
Yeah.
We were like
Put
out
it
of
on
breath.
again.
It was really hard to put on. It's like, you see the red line from it. I did it like that. Right there.
And you just like, you feel
Line
that
it.
the whole
And
time.
it is so like, yeah, just tight. We'll also just have a big like chin and big face.
If you have a double chin like I do, it just like, it's like on there. It just reminds you that you have that double chin. I don't think we're gonna be unicorns for Halloween.
Well, I think maybe next year we can get like better makeup
Yeah, better
Yeah.
makeup. We'll be better looking unicorns.
and we'll be more prepared. And a better horn.
I don't know, I saw this one video on Facebook and he was a unicorn, like full unicorn, and he looked really cool. And I try to replicate that and that, I don't know what this is.
Did you try to do it tonight?
Yeah!
Oh, okay.
He looked really cool.
We are not makeup gurus, that's for sure. Well, you are, but I'm not. Like, you know, and you're.
Yeah, so this isn't a tutorial, guys. I'm sorry if we try to, perceive that we were giving you a tutorial, but we don't want anyone to look like this. So,
Yeah.
so don't follow us. Alright guys, thanks for watching our horrible video.
I
Our
hope you
fail
enjoyed it.
video. Bye.